In this video, I'll show you how to cite sources in Claude AI quickly and easily. This is helpful if you want Claude to include references when generating information. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main chat screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box at the bottom of the screen, where I normally type my prompts. To get Claude to include citations, I'll type a prompt that clearly asks for sources. For example, I might type something like, "Explain climate change and include citations for your sources." After typing my prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a response explaining the topic, and if sources are available, it will include references or citations within the response. If I want more specific citations, I can ask Claude something like, "Provide sources for this information," or "List the references used." I can also copy the cited sources directly from Claude's response if I want to use them in research, reports, or documents. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to generate responses with cited sources. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.